Welcome to online class. Good morning, everybody. Today I would like to explain the topic. The topic is liberty and various types of liberty. Do you know the chapter name is Political Concepts Law, fourth chapter. And the liberty means freedom. Mahatma Gandhi defined about liberty. Liberty doesn't mean the absence of restraint, but it lies in the development of one's personality. Liberty does not mean the absence of limits, but it lies, it's not limit. The liberty is not, it not means limit, it's unlimited. And it lies in the personality developments. Okay, and types of the liberty. There are 5 types of the liberty. First one is natural liberty. What about the natural liberty? Natural liberty indicates freedom from all limitation and social customs. Natural liberty, it has no limits. Natural liberty has no limits. It indicates from all limitation and social customs. This kind of liberty is identical to injustice and anarchy, because this is natural condition. State has no control over freedom. State is state. The state has no control over freedom. It comes under the natural liberty. In modern society, unlimited freedom is impossible. If you have what about natural liberty? Already I said you this is unlimited liberty. But it is highly impossible to get the unlimited liberty. Liberty also have limits. In some certain limits are there in the liberty. If you are getting freedom, so you have some limits. Don't cross the limits. Should not cross the limits. Should not exit our limit. Why? Because if we just get the right to freedom, right to liberty, so we people just in the limit. That comes under the natural liberty. Second one, civil liberty. What is civil liberty? Civil liberty is contrast in natural liberty. Civil liberty and natural liberty both are different, not same. And it allows citizen to enjoy freedom within the legal territory of a state. Civil liberty also indicates the limits in the state, and it is a great value for citizen. Civil liberty is a great value of citizen. Okay, and at last, what about it also enable to happy with honorable and civilized life in the state. Civil liberty enables to live happily and honorable for whom? For civilized life. If you want to get a civil liberty, you can enjoy with the civil liberty with happy and prosperous. Next one is what about what about the civil liberty? Civil liberty what includes the 3 things. Civil liberty include the 3 things. First one, physical freedom representing freedom of movement. Second one, intellectual freedom. Intellectual freedom including freedom of thought, expression and beliefs, etc. This comes under the intellectual freedom. And next one, practical freedom. Practical freedom include freedom of choice in day-to-day life. This completely freedom includes in the civil liberty. And next one, political liberty. Political liberty also one type of the liberty, and it is a positive in nature. What about political liberty is a positive nature. A citizen can enjoy in the political liberty. Okay, and if he could enjoy civil liberty, he will enjoy as a political liberty also. Okay, now political liberty and civil liberty both are same, and the person, the candidate enjoy with them in their life or in the state. Next one is what about this kind of the liberty? Which kind of? See, political liberty. Political liberty can be observed only in the democratic system, democratic country. Where it is existence, the political liberty existed in the democratic system like India. And next is what about they are also follows. What about the political rights? What about the political cities? Political cities are to be observed in our country, that is right to vote, right to contest the election, right to contest the candidates in election, and right to hold public office, and right to criticism, etc. These are all the political liberty. Right to vote, political liberty. Right to contest the election, political liberty. Right to hold public office, political liberty. These are all comes under the political liberty. Okay, I hope you understood this. Next one is what about economic liberty. What about the economic liberty? Economic liberty also one of the type of the liberty, and it indicates to the political economic equality. Economic liberty indicates to right to earn for livelihood for every citizen in the country. A democracy has no meaning without economic liberty. And what about that? What it follows? The economic liberty follows as by providing minimum wages, it comes under the economic liberty. By ensuring right to work, it also comes under the economic liberty. By offering sufficient leisure, and by securing work from various insecurities like unemployment, sickness, etc. By representing workers in the management of inadequate. These are all the things comes under the economic liberty. Okay, and next is what about national liberty. This is the last one, national liberty. What about the national liberty? National liberty indicates the freedom. National liberty indicates the freedom, independence, and sovereignty. Okay, and sovereignty of the state. It is essential and valuable. It is essential and valuable for the development of nation. Okay, and actually what about since ancient times, several countries in the ancient time several countries have included national liberties concepts in the manifesto, and several countries for the prediction of the national liberty. Okay, these are the what about national liberties are there. So my dear student, this is 10 marks question for you. This is the what about define liberty and describe various types of the liberty. This question is there, and this question is very important. Define liberty and describe various types of the liberty. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Liberty is nothing but it is one of the freedom. Understand, right to freedom, it is one of the fundamental right. Right to freedom, it is one of the fundamental right, and this is very important. So Mahatma Gandhi defined about the liberty. Liberty doesn't mean the absence of restraint. Restraint means what? Restraint means limits, under control. So restraint, but it lies in the development of one's personality. Many definitions are there regarding the liberty. So Mahatma Gandhi defined about the what about liberty. Liberty is nothing but it absence of the limits, and but it lies in the developments of one's personality. This is the what about topic in front of you. And liberty, various types of the liberties are there. First one, natural liberty, and second one, civil liberty, third one, political liberty, and fourth one, these are all the what about liberties are there. Types of the liberties are there. Natural liberty, civil liberty, and political liberty, economic liberty, and national liberty. These are all the what about types of the what about liberties are there. So my dear student, this is the what about topic in front of you. I hope you understood this. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much.